Good afternoon, Lisel.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. I am Lisel, 24 years old. I'm single. I'm college graduate, finish of course of midwifery. I have experience in abroad in Kuwait only 6 months because my madam told me that the whole family is going to travel.
Okay. What was your main duty in your employer's house?
Cleaning, cooking, and then laundry, and ironing.
There are 2 other maids.
Yes.
Do you share household chores?
Yes.
So, who do the cooking? You?
No. Alternate.
Alternate.
Yes.
Arabic food.
Yes.
Are you willing to learn cooking Chinese food?
Yes. I'm willing to learn.
Are you willing to go under training for Hong Kong employment?
Yes.
If your employer in Hong Kong provides you a cookbook, do you think you can follow by yourself?
Yes.
You have served 5 adults only.
Yes.
Ages what?
The eldest is 28, and then the second is
All
22.
5 adults still healthy?
Yes.
What about laundry? How many times do you do laundry in your employer's house?
3 times a week.
3 times a week, and then ironing
Every day.
every day. Any electrical appliances you know how to operate?
Yes, ma'am.
Like
Like rice cooker, washing machine, microwave, and then flat iron, and washing machine.
in Hong Kong, can you promise to finish your household chores before going out for holiday?
Yes, ma'am.
How many times do you, was your day off while you were
I don't
in?
have day off.
You don't have day off.
Yes.
Are you prepared to work for a family with more than 6 members?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. Any food you do not eat?
No, ma'am. I don't have.
Do you know how to operate or use wheelchair since you are employed for graduate? Are you prepared to be employed in taking care of a sick elderly person?
Yes.
How do you take care of a sick elderly person?
Just doing the smiling, and then batting, yeah, like singing, like that. That's only like baby when we take you the elderly person.
Treat him or her like a baby.
Yes.
Can you promise not to use your telephone even without the consent of your employer?
Yes.
And message for your future employer, Giselle.
To my employer, if you choose me as your domestic helper, well, I'm doing my best, and I will do my responsibility as your domestic helper, and I will loving your child, and I hope we'll be soon in the Hong Kong. Thank you.
Thank you, Giselle, today.